Okay, we're going to demonstrate the UKDrugTesting 10-in-1 urine collection cup system. This is the outer packaging showing the foil with the UKDrugTesting logo on there. You've got amphetamines, buprenorphine, benzodiazepines, cocaine, MDMA, methamphetamine, methadone, opiates, PPX, THC, and a specific gravity and pH test. So that's an adulteration test built into this test cup. And if I open one up to show you the actual cup design, in here you've got 2 pouches of desiccant, which just keep your test dry and in peak condition before you run it. And here is your UKDrugTesting test cup. It's got ID, date, and results recorded by section on here. This is the window that you peel off to read your results. I'm going to take this off now so you can actually see the membranes under here. You can take this off at any time during the procedure of collecting your sample. And here you've got, thank you, individual membranes with the codings on. These are international codings for the 10 drugs that are covered. You've also got your pH and your specific gravity test strips, and this packed in the foil is your coding for the interpretation of your specific gravity and pH tests. That's your adulteration test. So we're going to run this test for you now. If I just loosen the lid, and you'll give this entire cup to the person that you're going to sample. In this case we've collected the sample separately and we're adding it into the test cup. You would ideally need between 40 and 60 mils of sample, urine sample in here. We've only added about 10 to 15 mils here to demonstrate the cup working. Then by resealing the lid nice and tightly, you've got a good urine tight seal on that. You've got no leakage. You can see almost immediately here there's no delay in the test membranes absorbing the urine sample and starting to run from the bottom upwards. You'll see the pink dye starting to run up towards the top. What we're going to do now is just leave that test to run for the specified read time on these tests, which is between 3 and 8 minutes. But if we show you this already, you'll see your test lines forming almost immediately and your control lines forming again very clearly. To interpret these results with all negative results where you've got clear controls and clear test lines, there's no absolute requirement to wait for the read time. You do have to